Tell me again. Tell me. If you don't figure out a way to tell me what this catastrophe, this looming catastrophe is that's going to kill us all, we're going to die, and you're going to be to blame because you haven't learned to speak English. Now, tell me again. Tink. Tink. Now he's going to ignore me. Tink. Marbles doesn't know. Marbles doesn't have a clue. Look at that vacuous look in her eyes. My goodness. Okay, Tink, tell me.
Tink, Tink.
What is this horrible catastrophe that's going to befall us all? Well, apparently it's only us that are supposed to know because I'm going to obviously post this video. Tink. Tink.
Let me butt it.
No? Poor cat. Must be frustrating having a room full of humans that just don't listen. My goodness. Maybe he's been watching Fox News again. Or worse, CSNBC. Oh man. What a dilemma.